Hi Pisceans, we will do the sun, moon, rising for all the Pisceans, whether zodiac or moon sign. We will do the energy for January for all of Pisceans. Oh wow. Storm warning. You're either going through something really troubling in your family life or in your romantic life or otherwise also. And a lot of that storm is being brewed around you by others doing. Okay? It's not as much to do with you, but others' expectations or others' demands of you. However, with that storm warning, what you're doing is moving towards a positive future. So that's a great and trajectory to have, that if you're moving towards all that storm, all that drama, towards positive future, you are looking at things from a perspective, sacral chakra. So your sense of self is becoming strong in January. Your sense of self-love is becoming strong in January. You're refusing to look at yourself from other people's point of view. New beginnings in a week to a month with a lot of promise in terms of position, power, money, and also creativity. Exciting new opportunity coming through. Okay, all that it tells me, although they say it's a cheating card, but it also means that you have all the skills that you need to take to be a success in your field. Okay, so you have all the swords on your end. There, something is ending for you which was not serving you, and you're moving on, which is why I said that the storm situation was only brewing from others' perspective of you, others' demands of you, and you struggling to bench yourself as per all of that. Now what you've done is you're like, nothing doing, I'm moving towards my own path. I don't want to look at myself from other people's eyes. I'm going to chart out my own success. I know the skills, I know the requirements, I know where I need to plug in what, and all that toxic negative pattern, I am putting an end to it. That death is only a promise of a new beginning. This is a tulip, a white tulip, which is a promise of abundance and new beginning. Tulip or lily, either way, it's a promise of new beginning. It's a promise of a new start. It's coming from a place of, I know what I'm doing and I know where I'm headed. And that sort of confidence is what is shedding all that extra baggage away from you this January. So I think January is extremely gutsy for you, Pisceans. You're going through a good change, a good transformation, and that's going to only benefit you in the long run. All right? Bye.